In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply transitions between scenes on Pictory AI. Transitions can really elevate the flow and professionalism of your video projects, so understanding how to use them effectively is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in and walk through the whole process, step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Pictory AI. If you're unfamiliar with this platform, it's a fantastic tool that leverages AI technology for video editing, making your creative process smoother and more efficient. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll see a familiar button that says Continue with Google. Go ahead and click on that. It will prompt you to sign in with your Google account, streamlining your login process so you can focus on your project right away. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, proceed by clicking on Projects. This is your hub, where all your current and past projects live. Navigating it is quite straightforward, and it allows you to organize and access your projects with ease. When you hover over each of your projects, you'll notice 3 dots appearing nearby. This is basically a menu button, providing you with several options for what you can do next with your project. Click on those 3 dots next to the specific project you wish to edit. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, you'll see an option labeled Edit Project. Select this option to get into the editing interface of your chosen project. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a timeline view of your video, displaying all the scenes you have in order. Now focus your attention between any 2 scenes you want to enhance with a transition. For that, look for an icon or button that's located right between the scenes. That's your transition button. Click on it to open the transition options. With the transition options in front of you, you now have the freedom to choose the perfect transition effect that complements the style of your video. Pictory AI usually offers a variety of transition styles, so there's plenty of room to get creative. Simply browse through the available transitions, select the one you like best, and apply it. You'll see the transition seamlessly added to your video timeline, visually connecting your scenes in a more engaging way. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully applied transitions between your scenes on Pictory AI. Practice with different transitions to get a feel for how they can enhance the storytelling of your videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create more compelling and fluid video projects. Until next time, happy editing!